Everyone, welcome back. Welcome to the live session. In this we are showcasing all diamond chokers. Let's wait for a few people to join our live video, then we can go ahead. And these are our details. Let's start with the video. This is our first design of the choker. And మీకు ఏదైనా డిజైన్లో కలర్ కావాలంటే రెడ్ కలర్ కాకుండా గ్రీన్ కలర్ కావాలి, మల్టీ కలర్ కావాలి అంటే వీ కెన్ డూ ఇట్. అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ పీసెస్ ఆల్సో. హియర్ వీఆర్ షోయింగ్ ఓన్లీ డిజైన్. ఒక్కొక్క పీస్ ఐఎమ్ షోయింగ్ యూ. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ షోయింగ్ ఆల్ ద కలర్స్. But like if you want this red, this green, or this red, this green, or both red, we can do that, not an issue. This is the first design and a beautiful design. You can see the choker design and the price is around 3300 rupees. It comes with this pair of earrings. It is a push back, so you can check this piece. I'll show you a close up view and then next design, someone wants, they can take a screenshot and reach us and this beautiful piece, really beautiful. See this piece, exclusive bridal look. It looks this way. Check this piece. చాలా బాగుందండి. వీ హ్యావ్ కలర్స్, దిస్ కలర్ అండ్ దిస్ కలర్, అండ్ ఇట్ కమ్స్ విత్ స్క్రూ బ్యాక్ ఇయర్ రింగ్స్ ఆల్సో, బిగ్ ఇయర్ రింగ్స్, చాంద్బాలి ఇయర్ రింగ్స్ అండ్ a screw back. The price is around 4100 rupees for this. 4100 rupees is the price. We have both the colors, red color and green color. Screw back earrings. See this piece. Someone wants, they can take a screenshot and it's chala beautiful piece ide. And we have already posted this designs with prices already in the page, but for as many requests we get regarding a live video or I want to see the product in live, then we are doing this. Because of time constraints we may not accept video calls of everyone, so there's a live video which will clear all your doubts. You can check this piece. This is also beautiful design. Someone who doesn't want to look for peacocks or any kind of birds and Lakshmi Devi, then they can prefer this design. This is a diamond polish scissored stones. This is a green color. It comes with this pair of earrings, screw back earrings and see this. I'll show you both in a single frame and beautifully shining. Then going ahead with the next design, and the price is 3400 rupees, ma'am, for this. The price for this is 3400 rupees. Yes. Going with the next design, ma'am. This one more bridal look, full bridal and chala baagundi. We have two colors in this. You can check this. See, I'll show you this in a close-up view. Beautiful piece. Heavy bridal choker and chala baagundi. And we have red color also available in this. This comes with this pair of earrings. See this earrings and a screw back, and I'll try to show both of them in a single frame. The price is around 4600 rupees for this. 4600 rupees is the price and free shipping across India. Someone wants to order, take a screenshot, reaches over this number or given here. We'll respond back. Going to the next design. This design, beautiful design. Check this design. Check this beautiful super hit design of us. ఇందులో గ్రీన్ కలర్ కూడా అవైలబుల్ ఉంది. And if you want multi also, we can change one of the stones from here. It comes with this pair of earrings, screw back andi. Then going to the next design, this one more beautiful piece. I can tell you I have seen this piece so many times with so many jewelers that this is a beautiful awesome piece. And then there is a red color in the same piece, and the price is around 3600 rupees or 3100 rupees for this. 3600 or 3100 rupees the price with the screw back earrings. Check this piece friends, beautiful chokers, and these are all chokers are readily available in stock for the coming festive season, so you can directly order with us right now. We have restocked most of the sold out pieces, super hit designs of us only for this festive season. So there's one more design and it's chala beautiful design, and we have 3 variants in this. This first variant, it comes with this earrings, beautiful earrings, then this red color in that, then multicolor in that. So we have 3 colors. I'll show you in close-up view. Caesar stones, beautiful piece of chokers andi. Comes with this screw back earrings, then this pair of earrings, then this choker. Same choker we have in 3 colors, and if you request something like change only the center stone to red, we can do that, or in this you want this to be green, then we can do that. So we can do little modifications, customization little bit, not total customization. We can do a little bit of customization for you. Going ahead with the next design, this beautiful design. I think you have seen the design of us with Sumagaru. Check the design and chala bagundi design, total diamond look undi, and it comes with this pair of earrings. ఇందులో కూడా we can give you a red color also if ordered. And going to the next design, ma'am, there's one more beautiful pair of set earrings. See this heavy piece, this beautiful pair of chokers, and we have this in green color also. If you are trying for a bridal look, then definitely you should try this piece. And check this piece. Thank you friends, we'll come back with new designs, many more designs very soon, and it's time to respond to all your WhatsApp inquiries and orders. We'll get back to you. Thank you.